Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English podcast. My name is Anna, and I am your teacher. Today we are talking about relationships. Let's listen to a story about a girl named Lily. Lily is 25 years old and lives in London. She is a very kind and positive person. She works in a small flower shop near her house. Lily loves her job because she talks to many people. However, Lily feels a little bit lonely this month. Her best friend moved to another city for work. They talk on the phone every single day. But Lily misses their walks in the park. She wants to find new friends or maybe love. She decides to join a local cooking club. It is a great place to meet interesting people. Lily buys a new apron for her first lesson. She feels nervous but also very excited today. The cooking club is in a big, bright kitchen. There are 10 students in her new group. The teacher is a funny man from Italy. Everyone smiles and says hello to each other. Lily finds a place at the big wooden table. She puts her bag under the tall chair. A tall man stands next to her. He has a very friendly and warm smile. His name is Mark, and he is an architect. Mark asks Lily for help with the salt. They start talking about their favorite Italian food. Lily forgets about her stress and starts laughing. This is the beginning of a beautiful story. Mark and Lily cook a delicious pasta together. He tells her about his big family in Manchester. He has 2 younger sisters and a brother. Lily tells him about her cat and her shop. They have many things in common, like movies. Both of them love old black and white films. The lesson ends very quickly for both of them. Mark asks Lily for her phone number. She gives it to him with a shy smile. The next day, Mark sends her a short message. He invites Lily to have coffee after work. Lily chooses her favorite blue dress for the date. They meet at a small cafe called The Sun. The weather is perfect for a long walk. They walk and talk about their childhood dreams. Mark wanted to be a pilot when he was little. Lily dreamed of owning a huge flower garden. It is very easy to talk to Mark. He listens carefully and asks many interesting questions. Lily feels that she can trust this man. They spend 3 hours at the cozy cafe. Mark pays for the coffee and the cake. He is a very polite and well-mannered person. Lily thinks that Mark is a wonderful friend. She is happy to have someone to talk to. They promise to meet again the next weekend. Lily goes home with a very light heart. She tells her mother about her new friend. Her mother is happy to hear Lily's voice. Building a relationship takes time and some patience. 2 weeks later, something unexpected happens at work. Lily's boss asks her to work on Saturday. But Lily has plans to go hiking with Mark. She feels very sad and calls him immediately. Mark sounds a bit disappointed on the phone. He already bought the tickets for the mountain bus. Lily apologizes many times because she feels guilty. Relationships are not always easy or perfect. Sometimes work or problems get in the way. Mark stays quiet for a few long seconds. Then he says that he understands her situation. He tells her not to worry about the tickets. However, Lily feels that he is still upset. She works all Saturday and feels very tired. The flower shop is very busy this weekend. She wants to send Mark a sweet photo, but she thinks that he needs some space. On Sunday morning, Lily decides to visit him. She buys his favorite chocolate cupcakes near her house. She goes to his office with a small gift. Mark is surprised to see her at the door. He looks tired because he worked all night. They sit on a bench in the office garden. Lily explains why her job is so important. Mark admits that he felt a bit lonely. Honest communication is the key to every relationship. They share the cupcakes and drink some tea. The tension between them disappears after the talk. They learn how to solve problems together. This small conflict makes their bond much stronger. A month passes, and they are very close. Mark invites Lily to meet his big family. This is a very big step for Lily. She is afraid that his parents won't like her. Mark tells her that his mom is very kind. They drive to Manchester on a sunny Sunday. His parents live in a beautiful white house. There is a large garden with red roses. Mark's mother hugs Lily at the front door. His father shakes her hand and smiles warmly. The whole family sits at a long table. There is a lot of food and loud laughter. Lily tells them about her life in London. Mark's sisters ask her many questions about flowers. They show her old photos of Mark as a baby. Lily laughs at a photo of Mark in pajamas. She feels like a part of their family. Family relationships are very important for Mark. Lily sees how much he loves his parents. He helps his mother to clean the table. He plays football with his younger brother outside. Lily sits with his mother and talks about books. His mother says that Mark is very happy. She thanks Lily for being such a good person. Lily feels a warm glow inside her chest. It is wonderful to be accepted by others. The evening is full of joy and peace. They drive back to London late at night. Lily falls asleep in the car near Mark. She knows that this relationship is very special. For their 6-month anniversary, Mark plans a surprise. He does not tell Lily where they are going. He only asks her to pack a small suitcase. They go to the airport early Friday morning. Lily sees the sign for a flight to Paris. She jumps with joy and hugs Mark tightly. Paris is the most romantic city in the world. They stay in a tiny hotel with a balcony. From the window, they see the Eiffel Tower. They eat fresh croissants for breakfast every day. They visit famous museums and look at art. Mark takes many photos of Lily near the river. They walk along the Seine and hold hands. Lily buys a beautiful French hat for herself. In the evening, they go to a fancy restaurant. The waiter brings them a bottle of pink wine. Mark takes a small velvet box from his pocket. Lily's heart starts beating very fast in her chest. He opens the box, and there is a bracelet. It is a silver bracelet with a small flower. He says that she is the most beautiful woman. Lily feels like she is in a romantic movie. She puts on the bracelet and looks at it. It is a symbol of their love and care. They watch the lights of Paris at midnight. The city is quiet and very magical tonight. Lily realizes that she is truly in love. Relationships bring so much color to our lives. This trip is a memory she will keep forever. Everything feels perfect in this beautiful French city. Now the story of Lily and Mark continues. They live together in a cozy apartment now. Every relationship has its own unique rhythm. It is important to support each other always. Friendship is the base of a strong romantic bond. You need to talk about your feelings openly. Small gestures of love mean a lot today. Giving flowers or making tea can show care. Lily still works in her favorite flower shop. Mark still draws beautiful buildings in his office. But their lives are much better together. They have new friends from the cooking club. They often host dinner parties at their home. Lily learned that being brave is very important. Going to that first lesson changed her life. Do not be afraid to meet new people. Everyone is looking for connection and understanding. Relationships help us grow and become better versions. Thank you for listening to Lily's story. I hope you learned some new English words. Remember to practice your speaking every day. Try to describe your own relationships in English. What is important for you in a friend? Do you like meeting new people in clubs? This was your teacher Anna with you today. Learning a language is also a type of relationship. You need to love it and spend time. I am very proud of your progress today. Have a wonderful day filled with love. Goodbye and see you in the next lesson.
The best comment under this video gets English lessons, completely free. So go ahead and write your comment now.